Menta kasngi ka khanriu tarik ki pulit jong ka jala Meghalaya kilayo banbat ya kawai ka kali na Ribohi district kabahap hapo bernihat kabalakit ya ki Tiar Pynbthei. Kani ka jing obat jongki kadai hakapor baki pulit kidang penlong ya ka jing talasi ya ki kali. Hakani ka jing kem layo ruban bat ya arngot kibrio.
না কার্টুন তো তো এই ইলা কোন কার্টুন লাগতো তো
Oh yes. Gurung, gurung.
Around 16th February, so night 2 o'clock. So we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle is suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers, which may be illegal in nature. So then the team under IC Barneyhat has set up a NACA around 2 o'clock, and we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle number A01LC 1112 was intercepted by the Barneyhat outpost NACA. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking, and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile, and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were two occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the two occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminium electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, neogel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also two mobile phones seized from the accused, and the accused have been arrested. And Nongpo PS case 22/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation. So far this much only can be revealed, and further details will be followed up. And one more thing I would like to say that Meghalaya State Police have intensified the crackdown on illegal pilferages of explosives, because they might be used for any other activities which are not legal and lawfully permitted. So that is the main thing, and this exercise will keep continuing in the district. And any substances, explosive substances which are unauthorized or illegally transported, the exercise against that will keep continuing. That is why we have initiated the case, because ideally, for transportation of explosives, they should carry proper documents, and the vehicle also should be authorized. Suspectedly to come from, further investigation will reveal much more details. Come from East India Hills, Ladrambai. And supposedly the vehicles was proceeding towards Rani Bazaar of Guwahati, where supposedly it has to be delivered to someone, which we are still investigating.